0.0004 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8, 2 times 5 10. So to find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Look, 2 goes into this 0 0 times, so write 0. Now 2 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times, write 0. But before this 0 there is a decimal must come to the question. 2 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times. 2 goes into this 0 0 times, according to this. 2 goes into 4 how many times? 4 2 times, write 2. Now multiply 2 times 2 4. If you subtract, then you are getting 0. So your answer is 0.0002. Your answer is this.